Hello everyone, we are Group 9. This is our presentation about Introduction Routed Protocols. What are routed protocols? Routed protocols are network protocols that can be used to send user data such as email or files through a network. They contain the addressing information needed to deliver packets from source to destination. Example, IPv4, IPv6, IPX, Apple. Routed protocols are the fundamental rules that allow device to send data like emails, files, or videos across a network. Think of them as the language and addressing system for the internet. They contain the essential addressing information like street address and zip code, needed to ensure that data packets are delivered accurately from their source, where they start, all the way to their destination, where they need to go. The most common example you use every day are IPv4 and IPv6. This is the protocols that make the modern internet possible. In short, routed protocols are how data finds its ways across the network. Routed protocol versus routing protocol. Routed protocol used to carry user data. Routing protocol used to exchange routing information between routers. Routed protocol job to carry the actual user data, the file, the email, the web page you requested. How it works? It contains the final source and destination address, like an IP address, that allows the data packet to be delivered across the network. Example, IP. This is what your data is packaged in. Routing protocol job to help the routers build and maintain the best possible map of the entire network. How it works? Routers use this protocol to exchange information about which paths are available and which are the fastest, allowing them to make intelligent decisions about where to send the data. Example, RIP and OSPF. Simple analogy. The routed protocol IP is the package with, with the destination address written on it. The routing protocol OSPF is the GPS system that the delivery driver used to find the best route to get the package there. The purpose of routed protocols like IP are the core mechanism that makes the internet and large network function. They serve three main purposes. Number one, tunable data transmission between network. They make it possible for data, like a web page, an email, or a video, to travel from its source on one network to a destination on entire different remote network. Without a routed protocol, data could only stay within its original local network. Number 2. Provide logical addressing. Routed protocols define and use logical addresses, the IP addresses you're familiar with. These addresses act like a street address and a house number, giving every device a unique location, independently identity. This allows a router to know exactly where a data packet is supposed to go, regardless of the physical connection. Number 3, allowing routing decision based on a network topology. Finally, routed protocols carry the addressing information that allows routers to their job. Routers use this information combined with their knowledge of the network's layout to make the best, most efficient decision about the path the data packet should take to reach its final destination.
IP as a routed protocol. The Internet Protocol or IP is the most common routed protocol. It uses IP address for device identification and works with routers to forward packets based on destination IP. And also, IP delivers data between networks using unique addresses. Routers use these IP addresses to find the best path of packets, like how post offices route mail to the right location. IPv4 versus IPv6. IPv4 is 32-bit, about 4.3 billion addresses, and the IPv6 is 128-bit, almost unlimited addresses. Packet structure in routed protocols. Data is sent in packets with three main parts. The first is header, contains source and destination addresses. Second, data, payload, the payload being transmitted, and the last one is trailer, may contain error checking information.
Example of routing in action. Host A data to host B across different networks. Routers examine destination IP and forward package accordingly. Advantage of routed protocols. Scalability across large networks. Flexibility with multiple network types. Efficient data delivery and management. Summary. Routed protocols carry use data across networks. IP, IP versus 4, IP versus 6 is the most widely used routed protocol. They work with routing protocols to ensure data reaches its destinations.